How do you feel? How do you feel? Huh? You have a stomach ache? Okay, so clap your hands for everyone. You clap your hands. How many days did you practice? Do I need to? Yes, they only practice for. I gave this to them last week, and then they just practice for one. But yeah, some of you were very good. Some of you were very good in speaking. And yes, I told you not to make a script, right? But I can see some groups has a script. That's okay. There is just some words that like are a bit off. Okay, so we will have that one in the classroom. And very good to that group. They have a lot, and their story was great as well. It was funny. So well done. Next time, okay, do not turn your back, especially when there is a camera. You did not know that there's a camera today, right? You did not know, yeah. So if there is a camera, no, not only if there is a camera, even if there is no camera, do not turn your back. I have told you that one before. Okay, but and also your voice is okay. Make it louder when you do something like this. Do you understand? Okay. There are some students that are Kirby. Okay, there were some students that were very good. Which group is it? Very good speaking, Samantha. Yes, speaks well. Yeah, Irene. But there are many of you who can speak very well. Really, keep on speaking very well. Okay. So you see, when we do like this, you speak very well. I can hear a very good diction. Okay. Which group is it? Nora too, yes. Nora can speak very well too. And Aussie! It was very clear. Okay, so clap your hands, everyone. I think this will be our last role play for this year. But we will have another role play, more role play next term, next year. So yeah, this will be your last role play in my subject, and yes, yay! You still have more in other subjects, Chemai. Okay, so go back to the classroom quietly. Okay, please bring back all the stuff. I'll bring back all the stuff. This is role play for English for presentation. Our topic is all about food, and the students will show what they learned from this topic. So they are going to have a role play today about going to the restaurant and cooking as well. So this will be a funny role play. Funny role plays actually.